Okay, so once you have created the application from the template and you have already then subscribed to the paid plugin, you will need to set up the fields necessary for the plugin. 4 of these, we have 1, 2, and then for the dev, we have 3, 4, are going to be coming from time zone DB. We'll have another video on how to do that. But the other 8 are coming from within your application settings. You will go into settings, you will find the API section at the top here. When you first open your application, this is how it should look. If it does not, bubble bug, but if it doesn't, it's okay, very easily to fix. Check the boxes here. Make sure you check each of the 4 different data types that are within the template applications database. Then you must check this box here for using field display instead of ID for key names. If you don't do that, functions will not work. Also recommended hiding the Swagger API. After you do that, generate a new API token. You can label this what you want. I'm just going to label mine as app if Bubble allows me to type inside. Then I will click onto the copy. I will get notified it is copied. I will come back into plugins. Right here where it says modify thing, I'm going to add that value in only after a word bearer. So once I type in bearer, I add a space and then I can paste in that token. And then I will copy this and I will paste it into the other 7 sections that it needs to be within. So now, once we have done that, we are set to go on to the next step of getting our time zone DB API key.